Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your model and iOS version so you know which haptic controls appear. Once done, back up or note current haptic choices to restore if needed. Now open Settings and tap Accessibility. This is where tactile responses live. You'll find touch or touch accommodations depending on model. Tap through to haptics or vibration options and stay on the screen. These are the first actionable steps that let you access the specific control for the home button's vibration. You'll now locate the haptic controls. Look for System Haptics or a Home button haptics entry. Tap the toggle to off to remove vibration. This disables the motor feedback when you press the Home button. If there's a separate Home button setting, turn that off too. Make sure to press the Home button a few times to verify silence. If you use Assistive Touch, check its haptic setting as well, since virtual home feedback can behave differently than the physical button. You finish by rebooting the iPhone to ensure the setting fully applies. Sometimes a restart clears lingering feedback. If vibration persists, return to Accessibility and reset the touch settings or toggle System Haptics off and on, then reboot again. Make sure Do Not Disturb and sound settings aren't influencing perceived feedback. If the motor still vibrates after software checks, you may be facing hardware behavior. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider, because disabling software options won't stop a faulty haptic motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.